Jesse, I need to train. I'm gonna fight Rocky.
Rocky, are you crazy? He'll tear you apart.
No, I'm not crazy. I'm Heisenberg. I'm the best.
Heisenberg, what are you talking about? You're a chemistry teacher. Get out of this shit.
No, I won't quit. I can do this.
Okay. So how do you want to train?
With the blue crystal.